My sweetie, happy birthday to you. I have to say you gave me quite the homework to find you something that's elegant, edgy, sexy, in dark colors with pop of colors like red, green and purple, with no heels, but to match with the platform boots and to also be semi-formal considering that it's your birthday and will be a party to celebrate yourself. But thinking about your request, my first thought was something like this, but maybe on black. And also considering the weather, it's covering but not covering at the same time, so you get the best of both. Now let's get back to the basics. How to make an edgy, sexy look to be elegant, to be for a birthday party and to match the vibe, but also matching your own personal style. You can do that by implementing 3 simple rules. First, color coordinated perfectly. Not more than 2 colors, because it will get outside of elegant and outside of semi-formal and formal. So max 2 colors. Second, layering. That's the most important part, something that will combine and will tie everything together. And third, have as the base a piece of garment that is elegant, like a blazer or a dress or a skirt or a corset, and you go from there with the layering and color coordination. And as a bonus styling advice in this context, when it comes to makeup and hairstyling, less is better. In order to make the entire look feel more elegant and more formal, you need to tone down a little bit the pop of colors on your makeup and go with some colors that are more subtle, or just a pop of color either on the eye, either on the lips, not both at the same time, or at least to have the same color of everything. An outfit doesn't mean just garments and shoes and accessories. It also means your face, okay? Let me give you some more specific examples. Now, starting from an outfit like this, which is very hard to come by, you can achieve a similar look with the right association of garments. A red corset with a skirt that has a slit, so sexy, with boots that will make everything more edgy. Over that, you will put a sheer or mesh long dress to make it more elegant but still be sexy at the same time. And over that, you can add corsets or harness. Also, a more classy red lip type of makeup would match perfectly with this outfit. The second option would be having underlayer with a sexy corset and a skirt that has a slit. Obviously, you can have fishnets or high platform boots or something that will make the look more edgy without the heels, obviously. Again, with a mesh type of dress over it, and over that you can add harness or a different type of corset, so the entire outfit will emphasize your waist. And when it comes to the makeup, you can add a pop of color there. In this case being red, but you can add any other color. But you can have a blazer. Under the blazer, to have something sexy like this lace corset. Over the blazer, you can add harness. Pair the blazer with a mini skirt or shorts even, and have high platform boots, with a makeup that is very classy, elegant and feminine. The contrast is absolutely fantastic and amazing, and I highly think that this kind of contrast creates the perfect balance between everything. And I want to add one more important thing. It doesn't matter what kind of body type you have, because these kinds of outfits that emphasize your waist fits every body type. Let me know if this video helped you, if it gives you some ideas and inspiration for your birthday outfit. Once again, happy birthday and all the best wishes for you, girl. And thank you again for your comment. It was a pleasure to make this kind of videos for you.